Japanese deep-fried pork is one of the most beloved Western-style Japanese foods. It is very simple, easy to make and it is so delicious. Serve with tonkatsu sauce and shredded green cabbage. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. Use the tip of the knife to stab the meat. Then use the back of the knife to pound the pork on both sides, or you can use meat tenderizer. Season both sides of the pork with salt and black pepper. I season with garlic powder too. This is an option. Coat each pork generously with flour, shake any excess off. Dip the pork into the beaten egg. Coat the pork with panko breadcrumbs. Deep fry at 340° for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn the pork over and fry for about 5 more minutes or until cooked through and browned. Remove pork from the oil and drain on rack. Cut tonkatsu into small, lengthwise pieces. Shred the green cabbage. Serve with shredded cabbage and tonkatsu sauce. Enjoy! Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.